And why should you be involved in Pulse Zen? Well, it is a generational wealth building tool. What do I mean by that? Well, let's just say, and again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you or predicting the price of Pulse Zen going forward. This is just exploring the possibilities of the code. The possibilities of the code dictate that Pulse Zen could reach $1 per Pulse Zen very easily. So, if you were able to buy 1 million PZEN today at the discount price that it is this morning, I believe, I think it's about 3.35 or something, maybe 3.7, I'm not sure. But if you're able to accumulate 1 million PZEN, going forward, when the value goes up to $1, that would mean that if you cashed out, you'd have $1 million in the bank. Okay? 6-figure, 7-figure sum. 7-figure sum. And you might think to yourself, wow, I'm wealthy now, and I'm going to take my $1 million, and that's it. Well, trust me, $1 million didn't go very far in this world. But anyway, let's just say that you were able to have a lifestyle where you're spending $100,000 a year. And that's a pretty okay lifestyle, I guess. But here is your problem. You may think you're wealthy because you have $1 million in the bank. But after year one, you're going to have $100,000 less. There's only going to be $900,000. And after 10 years, it's all gone and you're back to square one. So what you are actually looking for, the goal is this: you need yield. And if you can get compound interest that is actually applied to your sum, not every year, month, week, day, hour, but after every transaction, then you cannot do better than that with any protocol out there. Pulse Zen gives you that without staking or without locking it up. And so all you do is you hold the Pulse Zen in your wallet and you simply dip in and sell what you need to live on, which should last you for a lifetime. That is the premise and promise of DeFi. It's programmable money at the end of the day. It's a new network economy that we can all be part of, and it is here to stay. There is absolutely no doubt about it.